Yo, what's good, guys? So today is going to be a trip to the thrift numero I don't know, and I apologize in advance for not having too much thrifting footage. And the reason behind this is because this week I actually want to try something. Could you please not breathe so hard when I'm recording? But yeah, this is actually going to be a little different. I'm not going to have too much actual like thrifting footage here. But the main purpose is because I want to try and upload 5 thrifting videos this week. 5. So 5. So basically I'm gonna have one trip to the thrift every single day of the week. And I'm probably do some other like thrifting like content or fashion or whatever content like over the weekend. But for the 5 days I want to put out 5 thrifting videos. I just want to see how this goes and like if I'm gonna be able to do it. So I apologize once again in advance. I hope you guys still enjoy the video even though there's not that much thrifting footage. But yeah, let's just jump into it and let's go find that fire. Come on. Yeah, let's go. We are having no light. Starting here, Salvation Army. Little change of scenery, so let's see what we can find. Right, let's go. Vintage Minnesota Twins tee, pretty dope graphic. 1996. Dang, this is actually a pretty dope Muhammad Ali tee. 1942 to 2016. The graphics pretty fire. See the vintage tag. It's a vintage Pepsi tee. I wish the graphic was a little better though. Dude, look at all these Dodgers foam fingers. Hella. 2016. Nothing in there, y'all. Whole bunch of bobo. Let's go hit another one. I got some Nike Huaraches. I got some Nike Huaraches here. Size 14 though, and they're asking for 40. No way. Found this vintage Marlboro tee, the Wild West collection, made in USA, for $1. See the logo right there? It's got a logo on the back. Scooping this for show. Undefeated jacket right here. Oh, it's got that little logo right there, and then on both arms, it's got some 3M. Nothing on the back though. Maybe we'll have a little bit more luck here. Random thrift store. Union. On a Chrome Hearts piece. It's just a basic V-neck. It's literally just a white t-shirt. I don't think I'm gonna pick this up. Some little kids Prestos. $5. Super beat though. What? Yeah. About to talk to a good. Can't even talk right now. Another good girl. It's been a slow day. Okay, so your boy finally hitting a little bit. I found this Odd Future size medium. Camouflage Nazi. For sure gonna pick this up. I found 2 crew necks. They're both fire. This one's, I believe it is made in USA. Let me see. Yeah, made in USA. United States Air Force. Tommy obviously inspired. For sure gonna pick this one up, and then this one's probably the best out of all 3. Y'all see the vintage tag. Oh my god. $6.49. This crew neck is $6.49 as well, and then the tee should be $1.99. Yep, scooping all 3. Got some Air Monarchs, size 10, and then right here, vintage Nike, XXL. Huge Nike logo on the back. It's got some holes in the jacket though. Dang, these year 2000 Nikes are so fire. Too bad the bubble is like completely destroyed and it's ripping right there at the bottom. Dang. Alright, so this is kind of funny, but I found 3 tees that are very bad influences. Playboy tee, size large in the yellow. This one right here, California Alcohol Beverage Control. Obviously not like that, but has to do with alcohol. And then y'all could just read this yourself. But it's on a Screen Stars tag, size XL. Yo man, it's funny how you just gain. Man, I look hella red right now, looking like a tomato, boy. What the? It's all good. But yeah, it's funny how like it's just you get momentum after you find one piece in like one place, and then the ball just starts to roll, and you just start finding stuff in every store you go to. That's what I'm talking about. I do have some items that you guys did not get to see in this, like, well, like in the actual thrift store that I actually picked up, because my this camera that I'm using right now was in repair at Geek Squad, and I was finally able to get it. But while it was in repair, I was still thrifting, of course, so I picked up a good amount of items. So I'll just show you guys everything that I picked up, like, all together. So shout out to Rose Gold and Black. It's cold. Yeah, with the boo boo now. What up? We're about to hit well, I'm gonna hit Ross while she hits DSW. Let's see what kind of sneakers they got in Ross. Haven't checked it in a minute, so let's see. Okay, they got some size 13 Kobe's right there. Some Flyknit Nikes. Super big size though. They got the black and red Guess slides. They actually got another pair over here with the triangle. We got these Puma Clydes. I actually never seen that with the rain on the side. And they got these right here. Some teal, like Flyknit Adidas. These are actually pretty tough. Alright y'all, so I just got back home and I just want to show you guys everything that I picked up. Here it is, Nike Dunks in a size 10.5. These are going to be my all white beaters. The bootleg, Tommy, snapback, crazy M's right here. Mickey, so fire. Vintage Champion, reverse weave, New York University. Check eBay, they go for a good amount. Vintage Mickey California tee. Vintage 1996 Olympics Summer Games. The Kenzo hoodie, this was crazy to come across. Kenzo Jungle Paris, if you know, you know. Vintage Tasmanian Devil LAKER tee by Nutmeg. I believe this is 1995 Warner Brothers. Camp Flog tee. It's got the ticket, big ticket in the back, small ticket in the front, and then you see it right there on the tag, size medium, Odd Future. Beverly Hills 90210. This is a very crazy crew neck. I hope this fits me. Marlboro tee. It's got the cowboy, the Wild West collection. Yeah, you can read this yourself, but it is a Screen Stars tee. Playboy tee in the yellow. I like how this is actually a 3M, so it's kind of fire. The Alcohol Beverage Control, California. And then the Prada jeans. Some pieces in here, keep in mind, I found these when I didn't have my camera, so just know. Hold up, let that clear up 1 second. So you see it right there, Prada, size 34, I believe. So these actually fit me, crazy to find. I found this for $8. Kenzo Golf, I found this at a Salvation Army. It's a Kenzo Golf sweater vest. This is for women or a small guy. And then Nike Tech Fleece, I found this one for $10. It is a XXL. Where's the Nike logo at? Give me 1 second. It's camo, so it's hard to find. No, for real, where's the... Am I tripping, dude? What the? Hold up. Dude, I really don't see it. What the? Hold up, bro. Oh my god. Oh, right there. Whoa, dude, that was so weird. It's right there. I felt like just because it was in this angle, I just blocked it off and I couldn't see it. But yeah, it's right there. You see the Nike logo, XXL. And then this one I just haven't got to show you guys. It is a Indian head vintage polo Ralph Lauren. You see it right there, it's got the patch. And then size XL tag right there. And I picked this one up for 10. Yeah, $9.99. Pretty cool little colorway. But yeah, so that's basically it. Let me fix my hair so I don't look too crazy. I feel like my hair's like sticking out. Whatever, it's all good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was Trip to a Thrift numero I don't know, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it over. The coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Alright.